Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we do have Nvidia to the rescue again. Saving the market actually. Now definitely I do like to see the next day as well, the following day, but seems like we'll be fine. Looks like market may stabilize with Nvidia, but hey, let's see tomorrow as well. So let's talk Nvidia first, and then we'll take a look at the other stocks in this video. Now, definitely before going further, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So Nvidia, well, TradingView is not showing the update here yet, but they definitely beat on the earnings. I think 57 billion and 54 billion was what was estimated. They came out at 57 billion, and they also projected higher. And Nvidia CEO says he's not seeing an AI bubble. Sure, why not? Here you go. Year to year revenue surged to 57 billion with robust growth in data center and networking. And the revenue for the next quarter is guided at 65 billion. That's like, it's just not stopping. Yeah, like they just 57 billion and now 65 billion. Well, at this point, we should just name the market as Nvidia, not S&P 500, but Nvidia. All right, well, all great stuff. Let's take a look at the price action because, as I said, it all comes down to the earnings. We have recaptured 195 and are above. That is 196. Let's get to the hourly interval in the post market. So really good price action here. We pretty much, that was the thing, right? Can it turn around after earnings, right? This downtrend is technically over. Okay. And Nvidia has done it. And at this point, you have multiple zones, even through the pullback. That structure may just be bullish. 191, as if we continue to stay above this tomorrow, we will be fine. If we close also above 191 tomorrow, market will stabilize coming days, I think so. And we may see, I think market, this the cool off, the sell-offs that been happening in the market, I think Nvidia may be the reason that all will stop now. So anyways, 191 is the area. We stay above it, all good. We have gone above 195. That's to another zone. If we stay above it, also all good. 195 was important to break out above at least and stabilize. It's doing that, but I'm just also saying 191 as if a pullback happens. Structure most likely will be just fine on Nvidia moving forward. So while we started with Nvidia, let's take a look at AMD as well, because this thing also is turning around. So we were negative and we were breaking below before that, as I have said on a public video as well. Nvidia's earnings can turn around things, which it did. But before that, we were weak, and yeah, we were continuing lower. So our play was working out as planned. Now taking a look at the hourly interval, I'll still say be cautious on AMD. It's not fully in the proper uptrend structure yet. It's a rebound with Nvidia for sure. We'll have to get above 234 and 56 cents area tomorrow, and then it can push higher.